Hello viewers, many people actually eagerly waited for Flipkart Freedom Sale and Amazon Freedom Sale, but sadly the offers on tablets in both platforms are not good enough. We all know that the price of iPad 11th generation is already 45,000 rupees, so there is no chance of buying this iPad at around 30,000 price bracket. Similarly, there is no offer on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus. Many people actually wanted to buy Samsung tablets, but there is no offer, and even in future sales the price will be on the higher side. The main reason behind this price hike is the shortage of semiconductor chip. So even in Big Billion Days sale, you may not get that much exciting deal. But there are few tablets which still you can buy in this Freedom Sale. For example, if you are planning to buy from Amazon.in, in that case OnePlus Pad 2 is available at a price point of 30,749 rupees. With HDFC credit card you will get 10% instant discount. And if you are planning to buy from Flipkart.com, in that case you can consider buying Motorola Pad 60 Pro at around 25,000 rupees. These two tablets are on offer, so you can buy these two tablets. One of the users asked me about the price of OnePlus Pad 4 during offers. If you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, you will definitely get better discount on OnePlus Pad 4. The price may be expected at around 45. Similarly, in this sale there is no offer on iPad Air M3, M4, but in Big Billion Days sale you may get discount on iPad Air M3 or M4, and also on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE and S10 FE Plus. So in the conclusion, if you can wait, don't buy any tablet in this Freedom Sale. Wait for Big Billion Days sale that will occur next month or in the first week of October 2026. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you have any questions in your mind and which tablet you are planning to buy during Big Billion Days sale. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.